little boys came and knocked on my door and said the police just shot your son twice in the stomach. So my 16-year-old son stormed out the door, and I was right after him. And I went charging and yelling and everything at the police because they wouldn't let me through. And then I seen my daughter in the back of the police car, the same car that the shooter got out of. As I was trying to get through to my son, the police told me to calm down or they will put me in the back of the police car.